politics over Aurangzeb issue is not over. After Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi was suspended from Maharashtra Assembly for praising Mughal Emperor, there's now a demand to remove Aurangzeb's tomb from Maharashtra. And this demand has been raised by Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Sanjay Shirshat. He has claimed that he would speak to the Chief Minister about demolishing Aurangzeb's tomb in Maharashtra. Several other leaders of the NDA also echoed the same tone and demanded that the grave of Aurangzeb should be removed from the state of Maharashtra. Listen in to the demands by these NDA leaders.
मैंने तो अफजल खान के कब्र को मैंने खुद ही डिमोलिश किया है, तो यहाँ ना का प्रश्न कहाँ है? अफजल खान के कब्र को डिमोलिश मैंने किया है ना, तो क्या हाँ ना में है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस गई, उन्होंने भी कहा सही बात है। जिस भाई के साथ मिलकर मरवा दिया उसके बाद उसको भी मरवा दिया, तो जो अपने बाप का नहीं हुआ, जो अपने परिवार का नहीं हुआ, जो खुद को गाजी और आलमगीर समझता था, औकात तो छोटी थी मगर खुद को गाजी और आलमगीर समझता था, तो वो कोई प्रेरणादायी हमारे लिए व्यक्तिमत्व तो नहीं हो सकता है।
उसकी कब्र जो है वो मेरे मतदार संघ में है, वो जिस जिले का मैं पालक मंत्री हूँ, औरंगजेब की, तो उसकी कब्र तो हटाना चाहिए और जिसको उसको प्यारी लगती है उन्होंने उनके घर पे लेके जाए।
आपको क्या लगता है कि डिमोलिश कर देनी चाहिए उनकी कब्र? बिल्कुल
डिमोलिश करनी चाहिए। ये यादें क्यों चाहिए हमको? और मैं सीएम साहब से भी इसके बारे में मिलूंगा, उनसे बात करूंगा और वो कब्र हटाने की कार्रवाई करने की मांग भी करूंगा। क्योंकि का बयान तो बहुत ठीक है, बहुत ही क्लियर स्टेटमेंट है। ऐसे कुछ लोग होंगे उधर भेज दो तो वो ठीक कर देते हैं। अखिलेश यादव ने हम हमेशा मुस्लिम और यादव की राजनीति।
आज जिस तरीके से अबू आजमी को ये विधानसभा के अधिवेशन से सस्पेंड किया है महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने, मैं महाराष्ट्र की गवर्नमेंट को और एक विनंती करूंगी, जिस तरीके से अबू आजमी को सस्पेंड किया उसी तरीके से संभाजी नगर में जो आज भी औरंगजेब की कब्र है उसी तरीके से उसे उखाड़ के ये महाराष्ट्र से बाहर कीजिए। जो औरंगजेब की बातें करते हैं, जो औरंगजेब को अपना सो कॉल्ड फादर बुलाते हैं, उनको भी सबक सीखनी चाहिए कि महाराष्ट्र में औरंगजेब की नहीं, यहाँ पर छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के विचार चलेंगे।
समाजवादी पार्टी तो अपने दफ्तर में औरंगजेब की फोटो लगा ले, अगर बहुत ज्यादा मोहब्बत है तो। दिल में तो उन लोगों का औरंगजेब है, अपने दफ्तर में भी लगा ले, टी शर्ट पर लगा के घूमे। ये क्या हो रहा है समाजवादी पार्टी को? औरंगजेब की प्रशंसा करने से कौन खुश होने वाला है? लेकिन वो ये हरकत करते हैं और उसका जवाब मिला है।
Now, surprisingly, not just the leaders of Mahayuti, but Shiv Sena UBT has also backed the demand to remove Aurangzeb's tomb from Maharashtra. Aditya Thackeray has said that BJP government is both in center as well as state, and if they can remove the tomb, then they should do it. Listen.
The BJP is in government in the center, the BJP is in government in the state. Let them take a call. But what about the grave crisis of unemployment today? The Sensex has seen a bloodbath. Let's also discuss that. Let's not stop any demolition. Do that 100%. But what about the demolition of our share market today? What about the demolition of jobs today? Who's talking about the law and order situation today?
Let me bring in my colleagues, Nilesh, who joins us from Maharashtra, and Teshi, who joins us from the national capital. Coming to you first, Nilesh, there was a demand for suspension of Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi. That has been done. Now, there's another demand for the demolition of the grave of Aurangzeb. What are your sources telling us as far as that demand is concerned?
Well, yes, it is a long-term demand that is the leaders from Maharashtra have been picking up for long now. But Abu Azmi's recent statement has only sparked the issue and has given a boost over the issue. Now, recently, a leader from the Shiv Sena UBT, Shiv Sena Shinde faction, who also happens to be a minister of Sambhaji Nagar, had also mentioned that since it is his area, he will be writing out letter to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, in order to further boost the process of pulling out Aurangzeb's tomb out of Maharashtra. Now, they are backing this argument by stating that the history knows what Aurangzeb has done to the country, what he has done to the state of Maharashtra, and there should be no symbolism left in Maharashtra of such a cruel leader, and he should be thrown out of Maharashtra. Every symbol of his should be thrown out of Maharashtra. Now, we have been seeing that how the session in Maharashtra Assembly has been heating up since day one after the statement was given out by Mr. Abu Azmi. Now, though he has been suspended from the budget session, but now leaders from the BJP are demanding his resignation from the MLA post. However, Abu Azmi is still not very, seems to be not very apologetic. His apology seems very conditional, stating that he is only thinking about the session and the goodwill of people, due to which he is extending his apology. But it seems like that this issue of Aurangzeb's rebirth is not dying anytime soon, because be it opposition or the sitting alliance partner, both are backing or supporting the act of removing Aurangzeb's tomb out of Maharashtra, which is in Aurangabad. Now our team has also reached out to this location in order to understand what exactly is the ground situation. But it is also important to note that it could also create some tension in the state of Maharashtra if such process takes place, and hence Devendra Fadnavis is somewhat not taking stand out in the open, but leaders from his party, his alliance partners are
absolutely. So as far as the comment from Abu Azmi is concerned, he remains defiant. Only conditional apology has been given by him. Nilesh, stay on with us now. Abu Azmi has been suspended from budget session of the House over the glorious praise for Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Listen into what he said before and after the suspension from the assembly.
असेंबली चले, इसलिए मैंने अपनी कही हुई बातों को वापस लेने की बात कर दिया। मैंने कोई गलत बात तो किया नहीं था। वो बातें बोल दी जो इतिहासकारों ने, हिस्टोरियन ने जो लिखी हैं बातें, वही बातें मैंने बोल दी। तो इसके ऊपर इतना बड़ा गुनाह कि मुझे सस्पेंड किया गया।
Now, the Aurangzeb storm has raged on from Maharashtra to the state of Uttar Pradesh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has attacked against anti-Hindu forces, saying that those who maligned Mahakumbh are now hailing a Mughal emperor. Even Samajwadi Party allies Shiv Sena UBT has backed the decision to suspend Abu Azmi, and party supremo Uddhav Thackeray has said that he should not be suspended just for the entire session but removed permanently. Listen in.
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। जो व्यक्ति छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की परंपरा पर गौरव की अनुभूति करने की बजाय लज्जा महसूस कर रहा हो और औरंगजेब को अपना नायक मान रहा हो, क्या उसको भारत के अंदर रहने का अधिकार होना चाहिए? क्या
अबू आदमी को निलंबित किया गया है?
परमानेंटली करना चाहिए। कितने दिन के लिए किया है? बजट सत्र का क्या मामला होता है? वो 2-3 हफ्ता चलेगा, सप्ताह चलेगा, लेकिन परमानेंटली उसको निलंबन करना चाहिए।
अखिलेश जी ने आपत्ति जताई,
नहीं, उनको जताने दो। हम पूरे महाराष्ट्र ने उनके खिलाफ आपत्ति जताई है, और अगर वो चाहते तो वहां से उनका चुनकर लाए।
So this is a demand that has come from, in fact, several leaders there in Maharashtra. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray has said that Abu Azmi should not just be suspended for the entire session, but he should be removed permanently from the assembly. And then you also heard the reaction coming in from UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He has said that that Abu Azmi, in fact, should be sent to the state of Uttar Pradesh, and he will set him right. So not just in Maharashtra, we are also seeing the controversy raging in the state of Uttar Pradesh as well.